A security bug. Right there. Line 34. SQL injection. I reviewed this PR myself. My tech lead reviewed it. We both missed it. Copilot found it in 10 seconds. Copilot code review runs natively on GitHub. No extensions, no setup. Here are 3 real bugs that shipped to production and how AI would have caught every single one. By the end of this video, you'll have Copilot reviewing every single PR automatically. You'll see exactly what it catches, security bugs, performance issues, style violations, and how to teach it your team's specific standards. Stay for the bonus. Having the coding agent fix its own review feedback is incredible. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Studies show that human code review catches only 40% of defects. Review quality drops dramatically after 200 lines of changes. And PRs sit in limbo for days while your teammates are busy with their own work. Sound familiar? Adding Copilot as a reviewer takes one command. It analyzes every changed line, understands the context of your codebase, and posts inline comments with specific, actionable suggestions. Not vague feedback, actual code fixes. And because Copilot has access to Claude, GPT, and Gemini models, it catches different types of bugs depending on which model analyzes your code. Watch. 47 seconds. 3 issues found across 3 files. A critical SQL injection, a missing null check, and a race condition in the pagination cursor. Let me walk you through each one, because these are real bugs I actually shipped to production before I had AI review. Bug number 1. SQL injection. The search query parameter was interpolated directly into a SQL string. An attacker could pass a crafted input and read your entire database. The scary part? The code looked completely normal at a glance. My tech lead approved it. See the red lines? String interpolation inside a SQL query. The green lines are Copilot's suggested fix, parameterized queries. One click to apply. This is not a theoretical risk. This is the #1 web vulnerability, and it was sitting in my production code for 3 weeks. Bug number 2. A missing null check. The user object could be null if the account was deleted between the auth check and the filter query. This caused intermittent server crashes under load. Took me 2 days to reproduce. Copilot spots it instantly. The green lines. A null check with a proper error response. 3 lines of code that would have saved me 2 days of debugging. Copilot flagged it because it understands the Prisma API. Find unique can return null, and the next line assumes it won't. Bug number 3. This one is subtle. The pagination cursor was read and updated in 2 separate database calls. Under concurrent load, 2 requests could read the same cursor, skip results, or return duplicates. This is so cool that Copilot catches this. Look at the detail. It identified exactly which lines have the race condition, explained why it happens, and suggested wrapping both operations in a Prisma transaction. This is not generic advice. It's a specific fix for your specific code. One click to apply. Here's what makes Copilot review different from other linters. It doesn't just comment. It creates suggested changes. Actual code diffs that you can apply with one click, right from the PR page. No manual editing. No copy-pasting. You can customize what Copilot looks for. Add review guidelines to your Copilot instructions file, and it enforces your team's standards on every single PR. Not generic best practices, your specific rules. But wait till you see how the coding agent handles review feedback. Add rules like all endpoints must have rate limiting. Errors use a standard format. No console.log in production. And database queries belong in the service layer. Copilot will flag violations of every single rule. It's like having a senior developer who never forgets your style guide. Don't want to open GitHub? The /review command runs the same analysis right in your terminal. Same suggestions, same quality, 0 context switching. Perfect if you live in the terminal like I do. /review, PR number. Full analysis right in the terminal. 1 critical finding, 2 warnings. Style and auth patterns look good. And here's the game changer. You can tell the coding agent to fix all the review findings. And here's the game changer. You can tell the coding agent to fix all the review findings. It reads the comments, implements the fixes, runs the tests, and pushes a commit. All from one sentence. Watch this. Ampersand prefix, describe the task. The coding agent reads the review comments, implements all 3 fixes, runs the tests, and pushes a commit. All you did was type one sentence. The PR goes from 3 warnings to 0 in under 2 minutes. One more thing. You can make Copilot review mandatory. Add it to your branch protection rules, and no PR merges without AI review passing. Combine it with human review. The AI catches the technical bugs. Your team reviews the architecture and business logic. 0 bugs slip through. 3 real bugs that ship to production. Copilot would have caught all of them in seconds. One-click fixes, custom guidelines, and the coding agent fixes its own review feedback. If you're still relying on humans to catch every bug, you're shipping vulnerabilities. Next up, 3 files that make Copilot write code your way. 47 lines that change everything. Subscribe and I'll see you there.